right, so today we are making chocolate avocado pudding. Now I know that sounds crazy, but it's a really good way to give richness to this that would be equivalent to eggs and milk. So what we're doing here is this is 2 avocados. I just used a fork to kind of get the flesh out, so it's already sort of broken up. We've got a 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder here, a 1/2 cup packed of brown sugar. This is 1/3 cup of almond milk. You can use coconut milk, soy milk, whatever. You can use plain milk if you would like. Then all that's needed now is a dash of cinnamon and 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. And then I've got kosher salt here, just a little pinch. It makes a big difference in the flavor. So now I'm going to blend this. As I was blending this, I actually had to add some more almond milk because it was really thick. The milk in general, you're gonna add it until you can kind of blend it. But ultimately what you end up with is something, if you look right here, that looks like chocolate pudding. You will not taste avocado in this. This is gonna taste exactly like chocolate pudding. And it is good to go. I'm gonna plate this up, or bowl it up, and then I'll show you the finished product.